for an event with Tarte. Nos vamos a un evento de Tarte.
I'm in LA for only 24 hours. Aquí vamos a estar solo 24 horas.
Trust the process, okay? Concealer.
My friend Candylover is releasing a limited edition bundle with Tarte in celebration of Latin Heritage Month.
I also want to do a little bit of underpainting with bronzer and blush.
I want to use the most amount of products from Tarte that I can. Quiero usar todos los productos de Tarte que pueda.
I'm also going to cheat and put a little bit of this one from Nubia because I'm obsessed with it. Just in the higher cheek. Now we blend everything. This always works when I'm in a rush. Esto siempre me funciona cuando estoy apurada. My bronzer with YSL. Mario blush. Because I have blush blindness. Yo nunca tengo suficiente rubor. I want to try this creaseless powder. I never tried it before, so this is gonna be my first. Como moradito. Ay, tengo miedo. I shouldn't be trying new products, but it's Tarte, so let's do it for Tarte. I mean, se ve bello. Me encanta. Me encantó. Yeah. For the eyes, I'm gonna go with this one. I want to keep it kind of neutral, and this is a perfect palette for that. In the double take eyeliner, voy a hacer un little.
That was actually perfect and really quick to do. Now I'm gonna use a Fake Awake pencil. Esto hace que los ojos se vean grandísimos. It always helps to make your eyes look bigger and open.
The difference that lashes do to your makeup, o sea, la diferencia de la mascara que le hace a tu makeup, it's insane. On the brows, I'm using Rare Beauty. On the brows, I'm using Rare Beauty. Some wispies. Look at this tiny glue. O sea, la pega más linda y chiquitica que existe. The Plump and Lip Oil, which is part of the bundle, is new, so be patient with me. There we go. I feel like a doll. Me siento como una muñequita. Now I'm gonna go finish my hair and get dressed. So come back.